So this is like my 50th time recording this video between the camera losing focus and the mic not recording. I've had so many technical difficulties with this video, but here nor there. For this shoot, I decided to use only my vintage only my vintage gear to do a shoot. I hit my boy Zay, who's lives around the corner from me. He is the owner of Smiles and Frowns, the brand you guys see me wearing quite a bit here. I hit him to see what he was doing today, and he said he was down. So we met up at a park, and we did a shoot using my Fujifilm point and shoot. As you guys know, film is kind of, or if you shoot film, you guys will know that film is kind of hard to come by right now, 35mm film. With the pandemic and the shipping crisis and everything that's going on, it was hard. So I was only able to buy one roll of Porta 400, which is good. It just not really, it was higher than what I wanted for just a point and shoot. But the pictures came out good, as you guys will be able to see. I had a little difficulty. I had a few technical difficulties with this as well, because the damn flash kept coming on as I was trying to shoot, and it was just it ruined a whole lot of pictures. So that's here nor there. I also shot with my 1980s vintage Nikon lens as well. This lens is completely manual, and I had to throw away an E-mount adapter on the back of it here, just to get it to work with that Sony a7 III, which is what I'm recording the video on with now, just because I didn't know if all the shots will come out right with the point and shoot. So made that happen. I'm gonna let you guys see what we came up with. Enjoy. Up Lightroom to see, so we can kind of go through a little bit of these edits. I'm not gonna go too in depth with the editing process because I kind of showed that in my last video, but show a little bit. So point curve, the color mixer, just to bring out a lot of the colors here. For these are the digital ones, by the way, and the color grading tab is always my favorite thing to mess with when I do edit anything really. And then what I did focus on a lot with these photos is just the effects tab, excuse me. The clarity, lowering the clarity, upping the texture, dehaze, lowering dehaze, and then adding grain. If I take it out, it kind of just added that kind of imperfect, kind of dreamy kind of look that I love for film. I'm not a very big film emulation guy. I'm not the best with that type of stuff, but I just thought that with these type of edits, it kind of wow, what the hell, it did kind of look the best with making everything kind of look uniform. And I kind of just copied and pasted a lot of those edits and just little tweaks here and there for the rest of these, the rest of this shoot. And then if I skip over, oh yeah, by the way, I'm still new with using things like reflectors and things like that. So when it came to these shots here, I just ruined them. I probably should have had Steph move back a few more steps just to make this lighting look more natural. I thought this one could have been kind of good, maybe if I was shooting a little higher and he was back a little more with the reflector, but it just, I don't know, it just fucked this whole shot. But anyway, moving on to the film photos. I didn't do too many edits with these. I noticed halfway through the day that the flash was still turning on with this camera. I don't know how it kept doing that, but it ruined a whole lot of shots here. As I said, that Porta 400 film is $20 a roll, so I really was not happy about messing up these shots. But when it came to editing these, I didn't do much with them. Like for this one, for example, I messed with the point curve just a little bit, brought the contrast out, ups in the shadows a little bit, just to bring more detail to it. I know I did in the color mixer, I brought out his skin tones and the oranges and the green, just for a little bit extra detail. It doesn't look that much different, but yeah, I had to do that just to kind of have the pictures look a little bit more uniform all the way through. This one was kind of one of my more favorite ones. Up the blues, his skin tone. Oh, what the hell did I do? Where'd it go? Oh, here we go. Up the blues, up the oranges, and this one as well. As you can see, like when you do that, it just makes the picture look a whole lot more professional. And this is from a point and shoot of all things, and it looks good. I guess you can blame the Porta 400, but that's it. Hope this video wasn't too awkward, too messed up. Like I said in this beginning, it's my 50th time recording this video, so I've already explained these things a whole lot of times. But if you guys did enjoy anyway, if you guys do like this style of video, let me know in the comments, man. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
What I look like on this thing? Hello, it's your boy.